Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this POCO. You need to begin by opening settings. Now scroll down to access password and security. Following that, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, click on Start, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Done. Then adjust all of those options. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable it, you can do that by tapping on this switcher next to Unlock using face data. You can switch it back on the same way. In order to delete face data completely, click on it over here. Tap on Delete face data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!